Hi everybody, welcome to a brand new project. This is a mini album and I used the beautiful Autumn Sunset collection from Prima to make it, as well as brown, craft, and linen artisan cardstock. And I get artisan cardstock at Country Craft Creations. This is not a design team post or sponsored post, but that is where I get those things. And I want to show you, I'm bringing this over, you may recognize this little album. Apparently I have a page not tied. This is the Spring Farmhouse vertical album. We did two albums, a square and a vertical. This was the vertical. And this album is the base for this album. This one's a little different. You can see it's bigger in terms of the spine. The actual page sizes and stuff are the same. I will have a separate cut list for this, because there are a few things that are different, but this book was intended to be a companion to this book. Okay, so you'll see some similarities. Okay, so let me set that aside. Okay, so let's take a look at our book. I do have the bulldog clip closure. I'm hoping to find some clips in a different color. I don't really care for this color with this paper, but these are the only color I've been able to find. And then this is actually white seam binding that we will color with some walnut stain, which is the ink that we use throughout. You can see it's a very simple cover to match the other book. However, it's not so simple inside. Okay, so we have this tag that's attached with a magnet to this pocket, just attaches like that. And then inside we've got a little photo mat that we'll make. And this is a graphic 45 regular tag. As usual, I've used quite a few of the graphic 45 tags throughout. This is one of the square ones. I only used the craft color. I used square, regular, and ATC size. And then this flap opens. This is all very much the same as the other book, but of course different papers. And there are side pocket inserts. And this page just has a pocket and just has some cut aparts from the collection and another one of the graphic 45 tags. And then this is a double flap. There's another side pocket insert there. This is just a plain page featuring this adorable little fox. This is one of the 4x6 journaling cards. You don't need them. If you don't have them, you can just use something from the collection. There's plenty of paper, but I did like that, so I used it. And then on the inside it's plain, and then we have this little piece of ephemera that is makes a tuck spot, and these are all pieces of the ephemera. And another side pocket insert right here, which seems to be stuck. There we go. Okay. And then here we have, this is a pocket back here with a tag that we'll make. And I will include, mine is a little messy because I hand cut it, but I will include for you a template that you can use to cut the tag and the two mats, and yours will be neater than mine. Oh, and these little flowers are from, not flowers, leaves are from Prima, as is these pieces, as are these pieces, I should say. These are all from the ephemera collections. There were two of them, and I had them both. Okay, and this is the brown seam binding. And then this is just a little pocket that ties closed. This is one of the 4x6 cards that I cut down to make the mat. And again, if you don't have the cards, don't worry about it. You can use just anything from the collection. It would look pretty. I need to trim this a little bit. Okay, and then we have a belly band here, and inside the belly band we have this little booklet, which I'll show you in a minute, and then just a bunch of the 4x6 and cards and some of the cut aparts from the collection. And here is the booklet. We're going to make this. It's from cardstock, some good quality printer paper, and we've sewn the pages into the book, and then we just matted it and put a little piece of ephemera on the front for thankful thoughts. And that just goes in there. And there's another side pocket insert right there. And then there's a vertical pocket back here, and there's another one of the regular graphic 45 tags, 2 of the little ATC tags, and I put green on the back of one of them. This is just a moss green that I had in my collection, but I know it came from Country Craft Creations. If I can find out the exact color, I will post it in the link down below. All right, and those go in there. And then we have a little secretarial pocket in the back, and another of the regular graphic 45 tags, and just a few of the last pieces of the 4x6 that I had. I mean, I have a lot more of them, but what I did is I went through and pulled out one of each and just put them throughout the book. And then the back of the book is just this collage print, and there's our spine, which is double matted. And you can see it's chunky, but it's not too chunky. The book still closes nicely. Okay, so there we go. All right, so that is going to be our project, and I guess that's it. If you have any questions, please ask them down below. I don't have the count as usual. I'm sorry. I really need to get better at seeing how much cardstock I used, but it wasn't too terribly much, and I had plenty of the collection left. So I had one of the Prima 12x12 collections, the 4x6 and the 3x4 cards, the Say It With Crystals, the flowers, both ephemera packs, and I think that was it. Oh, and the chipboards. And I meant to use the chipboards in the project, and I don't think I ever did, but I have plenty of stuff left to make another project, and I will use the chipboards in that. So I guess that is it. Stay tuned. We'll get started with the tutorial very soon. It's already recorded. I'll just get it edited for you and begin posting it. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Oh, and don't forget to check the link down below. I will have a cutting list with the templates for you for this project. And if it's not down below this video, it'll be below the first video in the tutorial. So you can go and get that. Of course, it's free. It'll be on my blog. Okay, so I guess that's it now. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. If you've already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you haven't, please do so. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.